Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Follow me if you like what you see. This is the April Sephora Play Box. It is Winning Beauty, and we got a Sephora bingo game on here. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Let's see. Okay, let's go a little closer here. Whoop! Let's just get into the product. Maybe we'll play bingo later. So, there's the products. There's the bingo. There's the 50 Sephora points to spend in store. Let's talk about it. We have Winning Beauty, Sephora, Play, April. Okay, so I got bingo here. Went in for 1 lipstick, left with 5. I don't think I've ever done that before. Tried Color IQ for perfect foundation, no. Booked a free, I think I did that. Checked package tracking 20 times a day, nope. Stopped by store just for a lash application, though, but I am tempted. Have dry shampoo in bathroom office cart. Totally. Yes. Okay. Memorize store hours by heart. No. BFF with beauty advisors. I was like co-workers with someone that was at Sephora too. Okay, maybe. Traveled with bags of samples. All the freaking time! Jeez. Okay. Stockpiled beauty insider points. Yes. Achieved steps goals while shopping. Probably. Lipstick marks on every glass. Pretty much yes. False lash. No, because I don't do that. Text your friends for skincare advice. No, but people text me. Never left store without a sample. No. Have more palettes and matching socks. No. Won't let a shade go unswatched. Different fragrances for each day of the week. Probably. Mastered a smoky eye at a free in-store class. No. Wore 3 masks at once. Probably. Have a 9-step skincare routine. Are you crazy? It's like 20 or 30. Have you not seen this face? Yes, it's like 20 or 30. Expert at dewy or matte complexion. Both. Not afraid of a peel. No, I love some peel mask. Skipped happy hour. Went to some. No. You go to happy hour. Then you go to Sephora, and then you probably spend way too much money because you've had a couple cocktails. Okay. That is bingo. But what you're really here for are the products. So, we have Urban Decay Perversion Mascara in black, a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full body lashes. Okay. Then we have Fresh Sugar Advanced Lip Treatment in Dream. It's a soft pink lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. Okay. It's sheer and it's pink. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, it's a little tingly too. Okay. Oh, it keeps you moisturized. Oh, it says that you can apply it before bed. Okay, I live with I have a little container of like this by like this. It has nothing but hand lotion and lip balms in it. My cat just walked on me. That did not be, you need your nails trimmed. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So I always put stuff on my lips before bed. Then we have Sephora brand Triple Action Cleansing Water. I love me some cleansing water. Ooh, it's triple action with maca green tea extract. Okay. I like to triple and double cleanse my face. So, then we have Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. It's a lightweight primer. Let's see. It looks like it's tinted primer. Yep, it's a tinted primer. Ooh, I just put, here I go, a little tinted primer. Okay. Oh, I've had this before, and I think it was in a Sephora, is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I really like this eye cream. It smells really nice. It's got collagen in it too. So let's do a little bit of this, even though I got makeup on. I was out in the wind today, and my eyes get irritated right in the cracks, right here. So this actually might soothe it a little bit. Yeah, it actually does. And then bonus, this month's bonus is Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste, which I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a shampoo formulated with clay that transforms from paste to an airy foam. Oh, for lifted roots and fuller length. Okay, so it locks in color, it absorbs oils and impurities, and it helps create volume from the roots. So it's kind of like a clarifying. Interesting. I'd be interested to try this. So that is a winning beauty. April Sephora. This is where you can find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.